Hi guys, Malachi here. Actually got the date of my laparoscopic surgery on Thursday of this past week. I'm going. The surgery date is May 1st, so not too far away. Actually, it's probably about a week and a half away. Actually, no, 2.5 weeks away. Sorry. So I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit worried, what if they don't find anything, but my mother's going to be there, and I feel very confident that if, when they talk to her, that, she will say, we got to figure out what's wrong. Not that I can't tell them myself, it's just she's, going to be there when I'm incapacitated and can't really say anything to speak on my behalf. Other than that, I'm just living day by day, I'm a little bit red. I got sunburn. On Saturday, I went out to Azalea Festival. That's something we do in Wilmington, North Carolina, every year around this time of year, and it was real fun. I stayed out with my sister from 10:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. Saturday. Longest time I've been out of the house in a very long time. It was awesome, great, beautiful. Had a really nice time. Met up with some friends of mine and in the afternoon, and we just chilled for a little bit and talked and all that. Just everything in general was just really awesome. So yeah, had some good food, good company. Just had a good time, there was a parade we got there when the parade was like halfway through, so we stood there, watching the parade, and then there was, vendors, that were all around downtown, and so we walked through them and all that. The whole thing goes down in downtown Wilmington, which is very beautiful. Anyways, old and all kinds of old buildings and old houses and stuff. So, just being there and doing that with my sister, and then, meeting up with two of my good friends was a really awesome experience. I had to stop and sit down, ever so often, because I'm just not able to stand up for like how many ever hours that was altogether, because I'm thinking that I'm getting neuropathy in my legs, but I'm not sure about that. I can't pinpoint that, I'd have to ask the doctor or whatever. So, but other than that, I've had a pretty boring week. I know this video's kind of rambled on everywhere, but, just didn't have really much, not really much. I didn't do much this week. I couldn't figure out the words to say, so, yeah, kind of scatterbrained this week, just not really sure, about why, but, I think it has something to do with my blood sugars and the pain and and stress and everything, but I'm not trying to focus on all that, because I don't want to focus on the negative. I'd rather focus on the positive of my life. And there's a lot of positive things. I mean, yeah, of course, there's the pain and, all my diabetic stuff and all that. But I don't focus on that, I can't. Otherwise, if I did, I would be just really depressed. And I don't want to be depressed. So, I'm choosing to rise above the depression and just be a positive person, And that takes a lot of strength, but it's worth it. Working with my therapist, she's really helpful, and I thank her very much for being so helpful. And so there you go. Well, guys, I think that's about it for this video. I'll talk to you guys next week. Peace.